Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by pairing the Windows keyboard quickly so Mac OS can recognize it. First, make sure Bluetooth is on and the keyboard is discoverable. Press the keyboard's pairing button or plug the USB dongle into an available port. On your MacBook, open System Settings and go to Bluetooth, then select the keyboard when it appears. Once paired, Mac OS may install firmware or drivers automatically, so wait for confirmation before typing. If using USB-C only ports, use a reliable adapter to avoid intermittent connection. Once the keyboard is connected, remap modifiers to match Mac conventions so your shortcuts feel natural. Go to System Settings, Keyboard, then Modifier Keys, set the Windows key to Command and Alt to Option. Next, open keyboard shortcuts to check or change app-specific bindings. Some apps expect Command, others use Control. If you need function keys, enable use F1, F2 keys as standard function keys, or install vendor utilities for advanced mapping. Make sure to test common shortcuts like copy, paste, and finish by testing every key and behavior you care about. FN, media keys, print screen equivalents, and arrow clusters. If keys are wrong or intermittent, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then remove the device and pair again. Reboot if needed. For deep remapping, install a third-party tool like Carabiner Elements to customize layers and macros. If the keyboard still disconnects, try a different adapter or USB port and check battery level. One troubleshooting tip: reset the Mac's Bluetooth module if pairing repeatedly fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.